Okay, ladies, we're going to go ahead and set up our folders for English this semester. You're going to click on this red Create button first, and then you're going to select Folder, and we're going to name our new folder. We're going to name it the same way we name our assignments, so it'll be period, last name, first initial, and then our class. So if you're in my English 9A class, you'll call it Eng 9A. If you're in American Lit, you can call it AM Lit, and then you're going to go ahead and select Create. Now we've made our folder, and you can see it right over here. It's in my drive. What we're going to do is right click on that folder so that we can enable sharing. And if you're using a Mac, you're going to double click. If you're using a PC, you're just going to use your right little button to click. And we're going to go down and we're going to select share. It's got that little person with the plus. And we're going to select share again. And you'll see it's private. This is going to be the file that you use to submit your work to me. So the only other person that you need to invite is me. And I would like you to enable me to edit so that I can help you comment on your documents. So you'll just type in my email address, acartwright@presentationhs.org, and it should actually pop up for you because we're on the same system. Again, you want to enable me to edit, and then you want to share and save. No need to email or anything like that. And what that'll do in this folder is when you create a document, it'll change the settings. Here's my new document. We'll retitle it up here, new doc. Normally when you create a new document in a Word folder, it's only shared with you. But you shared it with me by typing in my email address, so it should say when you hover over this little blue bar that acartwright@presentationhs.org can also access this document. Now here's a couple more tricks. Let's go back to our folder. Here's our folder. If you want to enable additional sharing on that document, you can always share with an additional person. So for example, if we were peer editing, you could change it to anyone with the link, and then you could share your link with your partner. You'll need to go ahead and select can edit or can comment if we were doing something of that nature as well. So there's always the possibility of adding more. But again, since this folder is going to be where I grade and comment on your work, I don't think that it's a good idea to add any additional people to the folder itself, but potentially to the documents that are in it. Now, anything you put in this folder, I will be able to see. So if you have your class notes in here, I'll be able to see them. You may actually want to create another folder that's called Eng 9A or American Lit. And you might want to actually, let's move this over here. Sorry, I put this in the wrong place, so here's a good lesson for you. Let's move this to my drive. And now I have my English 9A folder here. I can actually move my personal folder, my grading folder, into the Eng 9A folder. And that's probably a better state of affairs if you want to keep some documents to yourself. Okay, I hope that helps. Let me know if you need any help. Thanks, guys.